So rather than getting into the details of exactly the legalities of this thing, what changes?
Yeah, everything. I mean, if you're an operator, if you're a state, if you're a league, this is going to be a seismic shift that really upends the entire sports market and the entire gaming market.
Where are we going to see it first?
New Jersey. New Jersey and Delaware are going to be the first two out of the gate. New Jersey is the one that pushed this lawsuit. Delaware has NFL gambling in some ways through its lottery. They'll be immediate maybe in the next week or two. And then you're going to see other states, West Virginia, Mississippi, New York, Pennsylvania, those that already have laws on the books, those are going to happen pretty quickly afterwards.
Moody's also coming out and saying that operators in New Jersey, Pennsylvania will benefit first.
Sure.
Rollout will be implemented on state-by-state basis. We are already seeing the market reaction, casinos jumping.
Absolutely.
Yeah, mobile operators also jumping.
Yeah, there's William Hill is up, Cy Gaming is up, Paddy Power Betfair is up. Pretty much any stock, a publicly traded company that deals in the gaming world, whether in the U.S. or in the U.K., they're all rising because of this news.
But what changes then? Is it the tax laws? Is it regulations? What needs to be implemented for all of this to change?
So everything is going to happen state by state. So every state's going to have its own tax structure. Every state's going to have its own rules on whether it's land-based casinos or whether it's online companies like DraftKings and FanDuel. It's going to be a patchwork of laws around the country trying to figure out how these companies operate.
Who loses? There's no such thing as a free lunch.
Well,
So is it illegal bookies? Is it state lotteries? Because now people will do this instead of buying lottery tickets. That money's got to come from somewhere.
I think you can make an argument for both of those groups possibly losing. You're going to hear leagues say that they lose. Certainly Major League Baseball and the NBA, who have been pushing integrity fees, which I know you know about. There is concern, and if I'm the NCAA, I'm very concerned about the effect that this will have on the integrity of my games.
Well, the NCAA has actually said, as I understand it, we might not hold championship games in some states if you make it illegal. Is that
That's
realistic?
That's the rule right now. But if you end up having 32 states which pass laws in the next 5 years, which is the kind of the base case estimate, the NCAA is very quickly going to run out of places to hold their events. The big problem the NCAA has, obviously, is that their players are not compensated for their work, which makes that's a much easier person to convince. Hey, maybe throw this game, maybe throw this match, etc. It's easier to convince someone who's not being compensated millions of dollars like NFL and MLB stars are. So yeah, if I'm the NCAA, I'm a bit more concerned. But for the most part, this is going to lift a whole lot of boats in the media and the sports world.